Guys, if you're concerned about your privacy on Snapchat and you want to make your Snapchat account private, then this video is for you, because in this video I'll show you how to make your Snapchat account private. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up the Snapchat mobile application, and after that you have to click on your Bitmoji at the top left corner of the screen. After that you simply have to click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen, and here you have to scroll down until you see this section named as privacy and control. Here first of all you have to open the first option named as contact me. Here you have to select this option to here. If your option is selected to everyone, you simply have to set it to your friends. Then you have to click on view my story, and here as you guys can see that this option is again set to everyone. You simply have to shift it to friends only, and after that you have to go back and you can see the option of see me in quick add, and here you have to disable this option. And then there is an option named as location. You simply have to click on this, and after that you have to enable the ghost mode. Okay, so guys, now your Snapchat account has become private, and your snaps and stories, location, quick add will only be seen to the person who you approve. Okay, so guys, this was the easiest and quick way to make your Snapchat account private. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.